Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 best side hustles to make $25 in a day. Are you dreaming of extra cash but feeling skillless? Fear not, aspiring entrepreneurs. This list unveils 5 surprisingly simple side hustles that can net you a cool $25 a day even if you're starting from scratch. The first one is the Click Happy Conqueror or online survey and micro-tax. The gist: you can dive into the world of a quick online tax, answering surveys, watching short videos, and completing simple micro-tax. Pro tip: you have to be patient and persistent. Earnings can vary, but consistent effort can add up. Disadvantage, or should I say challenge: some platforms may have low payouts, so focus on those with higher rewards. The Creative Crafter, selling handmade goods. So the second job you can do is to sell handmade goods. Here you get to unleash your inner artist by creating or selling handmade crafts like jewelry, artwork, or baked goods. You can start with a niche and build a strong online presence on platforms like Etsy. What's the caveat or the challenge? It requires creativity, time, and potentially some upfront investment in materials. The Knowledge Sharer, online tutoring in basic subjects. The gist: you get to share your knowledge in subjects like basic math, English, or a foreign language with students online. Pro tip: start with platforms like School or TutorMe and be patient as you build your reputation. What's the caveat? It requires strong communication and patience to explain concepts clearly to students. The next one is Social Butterfly. The Social Butterfly strategy is also known as social media management for small businesses. What's the gist? You get to leverage your social media survey by helping local businesses or individuals grow their online presence. Pro tip: start with friends or family businesses to build your portfolio. What's the caveat? It requires consistent effort to keep up with social media trends and engage audiences. Next one, the Handy Helper. That is odd jobs and errand running. What's the gist? You become your neighborhood go-to person for small tasks like grocery shopping, pet sitting, or yard work. Pro tip: leverage local community groups or apps like TaxRabbit to find clients. What's the caveat or the challenge? Income may vary depending on demand and the availability of tax in your area. These are just a few ideas, and your success will depend on your effort, dedication, and the specific market in your area. Remember, consistency is key. Even small daily efforts can add up to significant earnings over time. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.